Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll learn how to define QC parameters for production receipts in Logic ERP. So let's get started. Head to the Setup QC parameters for the production module. Here, you can define the groups for quality control parameters. In the Define Parameters section, you can select the appropriate parameter group from the drop-down menu and specify the corresponding parameter name, parameter type, and remarks as required. You can set range notifications for numeric parameters to define tolerance limits, allowing the system to alert you whenever a QC value moves outside the specified range. This ensures clear classification and accurate setup of each quality control parameter. In the Link Parameters to the Item Plus Process section, you can link the defined QC parameters to specific items and processes. Simply select the item, choose the relevant QC parameters, and assign the appropriate process. Click on Refresh button to refresh data. Here, you can enter the acceptable value range for each QC parameter to ensure consistent, accurate, and standardized evaluation across all production stages. The QC parameters have been configured. Finally, save the data. Now, let's review where these QC parameters are applied. We have already completed the first process, cutting, and the corresponding receipt has been generated and recorded in the system. Now we will proceed to the QC document against Production Receipts module. Choose Production Receipt from the list and click to refresh details. Hit the space key in the QC detail column and enter QC parameter details. Enter the actual parameter value. After recording the QC details for each item, save the document. Let's now view the quality control report that was entered against the production receipt. This report provides a detailed overview of the quality check (QC) performed on items received through production receipts. It helps verify whether the received goods meet the required quality standards before they move further into production or inventory.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.